Today we are diving into a cool prompting trick called follow-up questions. It's like getting ChatGPT to ask for more info to understand things better. Let's see how it works and when to use it. So, what are follow-up questions? Well, there are when we get ChatGPT to dig deeper into a topic by asking for more details or explanations. Instead of us asking all the questions, we let ChatGPT take the lead. Why do we use this? It helps us understand complex stuff better and make smarter choices. When things get tricky, ChatGPT steps in to ask the right questions and give us smarter answers. When should you use follow-up questions? They are super handy when you are dealing with tough stuff that needs a deep dive to get all the info. Now, here is how to do it. First, you start with a prompt like, tell me how to put together information from different sources to understand something better. If you need more information, ask me follow-up questions. This tells ChatGPT to get ready for follow-up questions. Then, you ask your first question and ChatGPT responds. But what's cool is that ChatGPT will sometimes ask you for more details. For example, it might say, could you please specify the topic or subject you are interested in? This way, I can provide more specific advice tailored to your needs. The magic here is that by talking back and forth, you guide ChatGPT to ask the right questions so you get super specific answers that fit your needs. Briefly, follow-up questions are like a teamwork trick. ChatGPT asks questions to get the right answers, so you don't have to do all the asking. It's great for diving deep into complex topics and making smart choices. Try it when you need help finding the underlying cause of tricky stuff. You'll be amazed by the results. So in the prompt, I am writing here, tell me how to put together information from different places to understand something better. If you need more information, ask me follow-up questions. So you can see ChatGPT gives me this result. Very detailed response. Now I am writing here another prompt. I want to be a student to learn civil engineering. And click enter. So here ChatGPT understand my exact condition, what I want, and give me the results according to my requirements.